Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jesenia Poissant. If you're new here, I'm going to be unboxing Chasing Unicorn's self-ritual box and reviewing the products with you. So right away, you know this is totally worth the price. It was about $35 for this box. This is a decent weight. Like, I've never had a subscription box that I'm like, whoa. Like, when I got it at the post office, I was like, whoa. I know there's good stuff in this box. I am not sponsored to do this video. I did sign up for the affiliation program, so if you do want 10% off, you just use my code YOGIJESS. This is my first self-ritual box that I got from Chasing Unicorns. I never got any of their products before. The owner is Samantha Strom, who's the creator of Chasing Unicorns, and I think she is awesome. So let's dive into what's inside this July box. What I really love about her box as well, it's really spiritual. It's connected to the zodiac signs of each month. This is the July box for Leo zodiac sign. Each box is curated for the zodiac sign of the month, which you all know I love zodiac signs. We do new moon and full moon rituals every month. So let's dive right in. Right before when you open the box, it says life is better with crystals, a crystal infused lifestyle brand. Wow. Right away, it smells amazing. So this is your monthly dose, and it just says like what is included in the box, and it talks about Leo season, having fun and being confident, and just really going in, like really tapping into that inner self. So let's dive in. The first product we got here are these peanut butter bites. They are vegan. It has roasted peanuts, cane sugar, crispy quinoa, and cacao powder. It doesn't even smell like chocolate because of whatever's in here. That smells really good. So these are a really cute little cacao crunch. Let's, try one out. Oh, it's a little broken up. Oh, wow. It tastes really good. I did not expect that. It reminds me of Butterfinger. Oh yeah, those are delicious. I'm gonna put this in the box because it's gonna get all over my bed. Wow, I can't believe how close that tastes to Butterfinger. I wasn't expecting that. That is really good. I'm gonna look into that company. The next thing we got is this Chasing Unicorns little bag. Let's see what's inside. I already opened up the box, but for you guys, we'll pretend. There is 3 bamboo straws, I believe. Are they bamboo? Let's see. Travel bamboo straw pack, which is super cool because they're really like good texture. Because I've had bamboo straws that just ripped. These won't rip. And what's really cool, not only does it come in a beautiful little container, it has a little cleaner for the straws as well. That is really, really cool. All right. Let's dive deeper. We have an unplugged soy candle, sugared citrus. Woo! That's really strong. It smells amazing. It was poured in Indiana, and it's 7 ounces, so it'll burn for 45 hours. It smells amazing. So good. So that's the unplugged soy candle. Then we got a box of Herbal Tea, organic chamomile and spearmint, which I love tea, so this will be really great. It's vegan friendly, certified organic, gluten-free, caffeine-free, non-GMO, and all natural. There's also organic lemongrass in it. So this is a really good herbal tea. Then we get the Tainted Love Organic Bath Bomb, which comes in every box. That smells really good. It has pink Himalayan salt, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, ylang-ylang, and rose petals. That's cool. I love that there's, plant herbals in there. And there's also a mystery crystal inside, which you obviously won't see at this moment, but we'll find out what crystal it is. Stay tuned.
Out of the bath bomb was this beautiful rose quartz. How perfect for a self-ritual box.
And I love how big these bath bombs are. This is the biggest bath bomb I've ever had. The last item we have smells amazing. I don't even have to open it. It's this Heart Chakra Rose Geranium Crystal Ritual Body Oil. And you could use this body oil in the bathtub. You could use it on your body, on your eyes. Oh my goodness. Guys, this smells divine. Holy cow. I can't believe how good it smells. Oh, and there's rose quartz crystals on the bottom of it. How cool is that? I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the Heart Chakra oil, and it has safflower oil, apricot kernel oil, olive oil, macadamia nut, jojoba, sweet almond, MCT oil, vitamin E oil, rosemary antioxidant, essential oils, and dried floral crystals. Wow, guys, that smells amazing. And let me tell you, the original price for this is $38, I believe, on her website. And I have one from another brand that is $40, and the bottle is smaller. Samantha Strom really hooks us up for this subscription box. Like this, probably in general, just even the candle, this could be up to like $15. I feel this alone could be like $50 to $80. It's definitely worth it. I loved it. It was my first ritual box. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna grab the other oil to show you the difference. I'm not gonna show you like what the company is, but look at the difference in oils. Like this is the same price. I love that Chasing Unicorns really hooks us up. And not only that, it has crystals inside that you can save afterwards. Amazing. I love this so much. I actually put some of this oil on the other day on my skin and it was amazing. That is a wrap up of the review. That is the review for the Chasing Unicorns July Leo box. I really loved it. I definitely would get it again. And what's really cool, it is a subscription box, but you can cancel at any time. That's super convenient as well. Super budget friendly, $35 a box. And it's just a self-ritual box to just love yourself and give you that time when you're like super busy. So again, if you want 10% off, use my code YogiJess. If you'd like this review and want more videos like this on subscription box, hit that like button down below. I upload weekly, so come on and hang out with me and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to stay gold, be kind to yourself and others, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!